Welcome to the Romance Book Summary Vault, your go-to place for quick and captivating summaries of your favorite romance novels.
Perfect on Paper Book Summary by Sophie Gonzales. Meet Mackenzie, a girl who's been through a lot. She's just gotten out of rehab and is trying to rebuild her life. To make things more complicated, her mom has invited her to stay at their family cabin for the summer. Mackenzie isn't thrilled about it, but she agrees. At the cabin, Mackenzie runs into Carter, her childhood friend and neighbor. Carter is everything Mackenzie isn't: organized, responsible, and kind of perfect on paper. They haven't seen each other in years, but Carter hasn't forgotten about her. He's been quietly hoping they'd reconnect. Mackenzie tries to keep her distance at first. She's dealing with a lot inside and doesn't want to get close to anyone. But Carter is persistent. He invites her to join local events, helps with projects around the cabin, and just listens when she needs someone. As they spend more time together, Mackenzie starts opening up about her struggles with addiction and the mistakes that led her to rehab. Carter shares his own challenges too. His family expects him to follow a certain path, but he wants something different. Their friendship slowly turns into something more. They share laughs by the lake, late-night talks under the stars, and moments where they realize they understand each other better than anyone else does. But things aren't all smooth sailing. Mackenzie's past threatens to catch up with her when an old acquaintance shows up unexpectedly. This forces her to confront some hard truths and decide what kind of future she wants. Carter stands by her side through it all, proving he's not just perfect on paper but real in every way that matters. By the end of the summer, Mackenzie finds strength she didn't know she had. She learns that healing isn't about being flawless. It's about being honest and brave enough to face your problems head-on. Perfect on Paper tells a story about second chances and the messy, beautiful process of growing up. It shows how friendship can turn into love when people accept each other's flaws instead of hiding them. If you enjoyed this summary, consider picking up Sophie Gonzales' book yourself. It's a heartfelt read that stays with you long after the last page. Feel free to share your thoughts or recommend other books you'd like summarized in the comments below.
That's all for today's dive into heartwarming tales. If you enjoyed this summary, be sure to subscribe for more romantic adventures.